In this video, I'm going to show you how to add PayPal to your Shopify store so that customers can use PayPal to check out their order. So if you want to find out how you can do that, then watch this video and then you should be fine. So we'll get started right away. So I'm inside my Shopify store. You want to go to the home page and then you should be able to find settings at the bottom left corner. Click on it and you will then be on the settings page. Once you're here, you want to find payment providers, which is right there. Click on it and then scroll down to find PayPal. So PayPal is right there, Express Checkout, and you will then see this complete account setup button right there. Click on it and this will bring you over to the sign in page or sign up page on PayPal. So for this, you need to have a PayPal business account. If you have a normal account, you cannot use it. Make sure you have a PayPal business account. There we go. So unfortunately, this is in Dutch right now, like the language, but this is pretty much the sign in page. Right there, you can then enter your email address. So if you already have an account, you can enter your email address and you will be brought to the sign in page. If you don't have an account yet, enter your email address and then you can set up a brand new PayPal business account, which you can then link to your Shopify store. Now, I already have an account, so let's just wait. There we go. I'll just put in my email right now. But like I said, if you don't have an account yet, you can simply enter your email as well, and you can then set it up. Right there, you then have to grant permission to Shopify. Simply click on it, and there you go. So that's been done. Right now, I'm going to go back to Shopify by clicking on this button right there. Once again, I apologize for this being in Dutch, but I couldn't, I wasn't able to change the language on that page. There was no option to. But this is pretty much how to link and set up your PayPal account on your Shopify store. And as you can see right there, this is now ready to go. If this video helps you out, please leave a like. Let me know in the comments if this helped you out, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.